So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be creating this broken mirror effect which you can use it for your upcoming music video projects or any other projects that you want. So let's get started. So first, from the project panel, I will drag and drop my asset, that is the broken mirror overlay, and then I will adjust the scale and the position of it. You can find these images by searching on Google. You will find bunch of it. Some will be paid and some will be non-paid. This one is paid, so I won't be able to share with you. Okay, so now let's change the blending mode of it. You can experiment different blending modes, and then I will adjust the rotation and the scale properties of it. This is not necessary for you to follow this step. Okay, I think this looks good now, so I will leave it as it is for now. And now let's move on to our next step, that is we will create a white solid layer. So right click, new and solid. Let's name it glass matte. Hit OK. Now let's turn off the visibility, and with the help of pen tool we will be creating masks around the broken edges of the glass that we have. So let's get started. You can create as many glass matte glass matte layer as you want. For this tutorial I will go with 5. I think 5 will be sufficient for me. So I'm gonna just speed up this process. And make sure when you duplicate the glass matte layer, you delete the previous mask layer and then you create a new mask. Okay, and then now I will feather out the mask so that the edges are not harsh. And I will do it for all the glass matte layer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of 5 glass matte layers. Let's turn it off for now. Now I will duplicate 5 times my main footage. And then I will assign each glass matte layer to the specific footage. And then also I will change my track matte to alpha glass matte. And then I will repeat this process for all the main footages. And once you are done with this process, I will adjust the scale and the position. Now as you can see that our effect is looking good now. You are free to choose the scale and the position properties of your own. Okay, so the last effect that we'll be adding is camera lens blur into our broken mirror overlay, and I will change the blur radius to around 30 to give it a good depth. Okay, so now our broken mirror effect is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.